Welcome back. This is Nasim Reza, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Facebook pixel if you are a complete beginner. Okay, so actually I will set up my Facebook pixel for my brand new website which is called AddToCart.com, and this is the pixel helper. If you install that, then you can identify your pixel is connected to a Shopify store or not. Even voice pixel is connected. Right now in my store there is no meta ad data also here, and this is the meta pixel dashboard interface. So no Facebook meta pixels data here, right? So let me show you how you can do that. Okay, first of all, what I need to do, go to the Shopify store backend of course, and then go to apps and then search Facebook, and then Facebook and Instagram you can install it. And download it. So this is actually first time, so it's now click to install, and then it will install. So it will take some time because it's required that app download in your store. And now you can see this is downloaded. So what you need to do, you just need to connect your Facebook account with this website. So for me, I'm going to connect my Facebook, and you can see my Facebook is connected with this. Okay, so you can see I have two business portfolio and I need to connect that one. So I will connect this one. Connected. Catalog. I'm not interested to create catalog, but it's required to connect catalog. So I will try to connect that one. So save it, and then you can see voice pixel connect. So this is the old pixel, I will not connect that one, I will use this one. So hit connect, and of course I have to check mark and then submit for review. And now it's time to wait and see what is happening there. And you can see this is finalizing channel setup. Do not refresh this page because this is their warning, so please wait here for completing this progress bar. Okay, so we can go to our wall product page and we can test our pixel is connected or not. And if I show you, yes, our pixel is connected, and you can see it's called to event ViewContent PageView. So if we add to cart this product, you can see our add to cart is here. And if I go to checkout, you can see it's required initiate checkout. That's perfect. So that's mean it will work. So let's back to the apps and check that all the progress is done. Yes, it's probably done, and Now we can test a purchase, because the most important event is purchase event, and we should confirm the purchase event is firing correctly. Okay, so I believe it will work, because this is very basic setup with their apps, and most of the event is working. I will not waste your time for checking that event. So if you have any problem to get purchase event, you can contact me, because I have experience with that, because I am a freelancer on Upwork, and I already completed 300 plus project on there, and I am a specialist on conversion tracking. So I definitely can help you. So you can email me, or you can contact me on Upwork, or you can contact me on WhatsApp, whatever you are familiar. Okay, so I definitely will help you if you have any issue with that. Okay, so that's all actually the video. If you found this video was useful, then hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see more video and want to give me inspiration, then you can comment on this video. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Bye. Have a great day.